Rightio people, it is I, Pied Piper, going to try for some squid in the kayak today. I haven't caught squid for a while, so it'd be good to get a few cephalopod on the board. Just going to push it out a little bit. So much more calmer than I'm used to. Normally used to trying to get out through the waves, etc. But look at this. It's bloody getting in, my feet are hardly wet. And we're ready to go. Got the sounder on. I think I've got everything. We're ready to go. We are good to go, people. Oh, okay, we're out at 3.5 meters. What's the ground look like? A bit broken, sort of weedy, broken bottom. But we'll drift back over those weed beds. So basically, oh, it's humid out here. Basically, the first thing I'm going to do, people, is set up my squid spike, because we'll get that deployed and drifting, and see how many squid will take a whole whiting. So the whole whiting's going to go on the squid spike. Good looking one, that's a good looking one. You got to put it on the spike before you, oh, that is not sharp at all. Oh well. So you got to put it on the spike before you put it on your line. And the best way to do it, people, is because the squid attack the head first, usually. Deploying the squid spike. Get some pretty good ground here, maybe. It's probably a bit better closer in, but anyway, we're going to chuck the squid spike out. That's all we have to do. I probably need to fix the float, because that's way too, what's that, 1-2 meters down. That's probably where you want it. Just a bit lower. Alright, no squiddies in shallow, so try to go out a bit deeper, I reckon. See if there's, because I did see one out at 3 meters, go for my squid jig. But yeah, we'll try out a little bit deeper, I reckon. There we go. Whatever you want. There's every chance for a snapper or something here. On soft plastic, you never know. Every chance. A bit. Oh, there's this. You're kidding me. Did a squid just eat that? Oh, they like the oh, I'm onto a squid here. They really like the aggressive jigging, it seems. So, bring it in slowly. Got my net here ready. Oh, it's just hooked. Just hooked. Oh, loosen the drag right off because it's literally just on the candle. Oh, come on, buddy. Got one. You got one. You got a squiddy. You got a squiddy on the board. Nice. Oh, there's another one down there. Look at this. I'm gonna do the old. Oh, we're on. On. One here, a tiny little one, but it's all right. You can lift this one in pretty much. There we go. 2 squiddies. There we go. We found the patch. This is good. Oh, finally. Coming. Squid are coming alive. Just changed to an orange squid jig. We'll see if this does the trick. I liked that red one a bit earlier, but yeah, maybe something a bit smaller will do the job. This one sinks a bit less quicker, so leave it in the water column a bit longer. Squid took it at the boat then. How good's that? Nice. Look at that. There it is. Hey bud. Oh. No, doesn't want to come in yet. There we go, got him. 3 on the board. I just changed to an orange jig too. How good's that? The orange one. It's done the damage. Check that back out again because there'll probably be some more in there, I reckon. Orange jigs done the damage. It seemed weird. I'm not getting anything on the whiting. All the other squid. I got one on the other squid jig, but that was it. Some great bait and some yummy dinner too. Fell off, did it? I think I've got to bring this in a little bit. Now that we're going to drift over this shallow area. What's that one? Just like that, I guess. Might just keep drifting, I guess, because there was another one there. We'll just keep drifting this line, I guess. Sweet, we've got 3 squiddies. Ow! Oh, thought I was on already then. Sometimes that happens. Oh, what was that? I had like a bite as I was bringing it up. It's a bloody fish. Bloody snook or something like that. There are snook and pike in these inshore reefs. So on. This is a good squid. Oh, this is a good squid. Yep, this has got good head shakes. Oh, I can see my lure on the surface all the way over there. Gonna get my net. Here it is. Oh, is there another one with it? There's something there. Look what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna do the old switcheroo in a sec. Just keep that on there. Oh, does it go loose? Oh look, there is another one there with it. There's actually another squid there with it. Oh. So I've got my other squid just dangling down there because there was another squid. Yeah, look, I can see it. Let's see if we can get 2 on here. Look, oh, it's a bigger one there too. Look, it's going for my thing. Look. Oh. Put that down. It was going to eat that. It was actually about to eat that. Oh, that was a big squid too. Here we go. Bring this one in. Oh, here we go. Okay. Another hit. Oh, oh, he got me good. Oh, all over my neck. Oh, wow. He inked me good. Oh, and my float. No, thought my float was under then. Oh, it's all going off here, people. Okay. Let's just hang on a sec here. That squid literally just squirted ink all over my neck. Look at it. Everywhere. Oh, Christ. It's just chaos here. This one's full of water. It's a fat squid too. Really fat squid. Nice. Paddled out to where I was earlier, and yeah, we'll drift back over that section where I got those other squid. I've just marked it on my GPS there, so yeah, we'll see how we go. Actually, I need to just get a little bit deeper here. I've got to adjust the float again. And what I'm actually going to do is maybe change the tea bagger one. Oh, that's probably about right. That's probably about right. Change that tea bagger just to have some bait on it, because there might be some pinkies or snapper coming through with the tide. You never know. Anyway, we will shake this out. Just let that tea bag a bit while I set up this bait rod. Basically, the bait rod's just going to have a hook and a tiny little sinker on top. It's the go fishing here in Port Phillip Bay. You don't need much lead at all. There's next to no current compared to, you know, out offshore or Western Port Bay, for example. So what's going on? Is that caught on tip wrap? Is it? It is. No, it's not. I've actually tip trapped. Rightio, we've got the squid rods out. Obviously the float with the spike under it. I'm just going to clear some weed with this one because oh no, it wasn't. It was hitting the bottom before. I'm going to move that actually because I've got a bait rod set up and super basic rig here, people. Oh, I should have fixed that up pretty properly. But here we go. It's basically one hook. And we're just going to go tail wrap, like so. That's my bait, that's my sinker, just like so. And basically that, hopefully we'll get a snapper or a pinky, something like that. I'm just going to pretty much put it in the holder, and we'll drift along and then we can pick something up. To do the drag right up for that because it's a circle hook, and if we do get a fish we want it to put some pressure on it so it hooks itself. That makes sense. Right, we're just going to leave that in the holder. I got bloody ink all over me from the last squid. It's probably all on the back of my neck. I can't see. Anyway, it might be funny when we go back in. Might be just absolutely covered in ink. But this orange squid jig seems to be doing the damage at the moment, so it's going to drift back over that section I got that other squid, which is actually back over that way. We're drifting the wrong way. Alright, we'll keep fishing. I do kind of want to be in front of that marker. Oh, that was a squid actually. Felt like a squiddy. Yep, on. Oh, how good. Yep, I knew that was a squid. Oh, they like this orange one. I love it. Oh, did it just come off? No, it's just on the surface, that's all. Oh, another one. It's just on the surface. Loving this orange one today. I never really use look like the crazy fluoro colours, but oh, I don't know, I thought it just got off, but you just dove deep. There it is. Hey bud. You can go behind it like so. There you go, we've got another squiddy. Another one. Oh, is that a squid? Oh, how's this? The squid's literally just grabbed it right at the boat here. Hey bud. Oh, it's a good one actually. Oh, he's got a bit of weight to him. Oh, shit. Oh, he's bigger than I expected. And oh no, yes, he went in there. Nice, another one. That jig back out there. You and the esky, they're little fat ones here, that's for sure. Oh, sprayed me everywhere. Nice. That one followed it all the way to the boat pretty much. That's cool. Wow. I really like this orange jig today. Really like it. It seems. Let's go back that way. That. We're only in 2 meters of water here. That's pretty cool. Anyway, we've got some dinner. Just going to keep casting this orange one because this orange one's doing the damage today. Tell you what, let that line go. Rightio, yeah, got a feed of squid. I think I've got 4 or 5 squid, so that'll do for dinner. I was hoping for a bag out to get some bait too, but that's alright, I'm stoked. I haven't caught some squid to eat for ages, so get some squiddies to take home. That'll be good. Rightio people, thanks for watching, and yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Laters. Oh, that's gooey in there. There's water and seaweed pretty much there. Alright, we're back in. And we'll feed the squiddies.